Hey everyone, this is Jim again and welcome back to my channel. So we have a new mod today. These are handguards from Memphis Shades. I will be installing this on the El Diablo. I was not a fan of the way it looks on Harley, like handguards. I think it's an adventure bike thing. But after riding last weekend in the cold and fog, although I had the heated gloves, the wind was still, blowing on my fists. So I decided, you know what, I'm gonna order handguards. So I looked up online. I found a few on Amazon, and I can't really find anything that fits the lowrider ST. You know, I found Sportsters, baggers, but nothing for a lowrider ST. So I messaged Memphis Shades if they make one for it. They do, but it's not made specifically for the lowrider ST. But they told me people have tried it and it fit. It also looks like a good quality, thick. I think it's made of acrylic, so it's not one of those flimsy metal pieces. So this one looks nice, And the part number is MEB7216. So if you go to Memphis Shades or even Revzilla, I bought it through Revzilla because I have the military discount. It's Mike Echo Bravo 7216. So look it up. Now I'm gonna assemble this, show you guys how it works and how it goes on the bike. It's pretty easy. It's not a lot of parts. A bunch of bits and pieces. So this is the throttle side. So you will have like a rubber washer or grommet. It works as a washer, so we'll call it a rubber washer. So those two will go inside the holes. They're pretty soft, so it's easy to get them in there. Actually, it might be too soft. The whole thing is going in. Okay. There you go. So there's that. And then this one. There you go. Yeah, it's a little too soft. The whole thing is going through. Okay. Put that in there. Okay. There you go. Yeah, hopefully this will help. It should help a little bit in blocking the wind. I have this on my GSA, the adventure bike, and it's my first time installing this on a Harley or any other bike aside from the adventure bike. So once that's in, put this one in. Make sure the flat side is out or facing out. There you go. And this thing has a lock washer, but I'm gonna put some blue Loctite on it just to be sure, because you know how Harleys are. Oops. Okay, a little bit of blue Loctite for you. Getting cold now. Not that bad though. I'm still wearing shorts, so I know some of you guys in the East Coast. I was on live stream with Moto Nuggin on Tuesday, and I heard it was already freezing up there. Then you want to put the washer, the plastic washer. Come on. There you go, plastic washer. And then the mount. So for the throttle side, you want the shorter mount. This has to be up, not down, or it won't fit. Up. Okay. Then go ahead and so this one has a lock washer and a regular washer. Just put it there. A little bit of blue Loctite. You don't want to over tighten this because it's acrylic, and like I said, it has a lock nut or lock washer on it. So okay, it should look like this. So throttle side should look like this. Let's tighten it. And I tighten one bolt at a time so they're even. You can see that's what I'm doing right now. I'm not over tightening it, giving it barely any torque. Okay, while I'm doing this, our iron butt ride was canceled. We were supposed to do it this weekend, but because of the weather, we are not doing it. It's gonna be foggy, rainy, and probably see some snow. So we'll just reschedule it for next spring. Hopefully, spring would be the perfect time to do it because you know, the weather is nice and not too cold and not too hot. There's no snow. A little bit of rain will be okay. Some showers, we can ride through that, but not with snow or very hot weather. So same thing again. Plastic washers. So this one is the clutch side, so it's gonna look like this. Then we'll put the mount up. So the longer bracket will go on the clutch side for this one. And let's put some blue Loctite on this, just a little bit. Again, there's a lock washer, so you don't really need to put too much, just for peace of mind, I guess you can say. There. And now let's tighten it. So yeah, no iron butt this weekend, but we might ride to Sacramento with the Crispy Patas MC. Shout out to you guys. They are doing a lobster run at a Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. I heard there's gonna be a lobster buffet this Sunday, so we might just do that. I don't know, weather permitting, but if not, then you know, we'll stay at home with the family all weekend. Saturday I'm not doing anything. That's a family time. Okay, it should be tight enough. A little bit more for this. And there you go. Oh, no, a little bit more. Again, I'm barely giving it any torque. It's just okay. And there you have it. So, clutch side, throttle side. Let's move on to the motorcycle. Okay, so we're here. We'll start with the throttle side. First, you just have to take off the let's see. Okay, there you go. Mirror, and make sure you don't drop this nut on the tank, because it's gonna make a dent. So there's that. Just pull it out. Don't lose the little washer on top if you have the ability to drop mirrors. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of Loctite on this too. Not that much. Again, it has a lock washer, so just enough for peace of mind. So put that down, and then it might be a little loud because like my neighbors are working on their backyard or something. So this will mount first on top like this. So I don't know if you can see it clearly from my angle, but it goes like that. Then you put the mirror on, and then you put the lock washer and the nut back in there. So let me show you guys. Okay, I'm just reusing the lock washer, and that's also why I added a Loctite as well. And then tighten it. Oh, other way. Oops. Okay. Make sure we crush that lock washer. That is tight enough. And there you go. So as you can see, so what I was afraid of was if it doesn't clear, let me see, if it doesn't clear the fairings, like this one and this one. So and it clears. So I have the riser plate, which is 2 inches higher, but let's see, 2 inches lower, it should still clear. You know, it should still clear if you're on stock risers. There's enough space. So yeah, it does clear. Let me turn this so you guys can see. And there you go. It fits. Let me just install the other side. I think my video is a little too long now, so I'm gonna install that and show you guys the finished product. Okay. All right. So here it is, guys. Finished mounting the clutch side. So both sides are on, full lock. It clears the fairing and the windscreen, especially with my riser plate. So if you have risers, it shouldn't be any problem. Even with the stock risers, it should fit okay. No rubbing or hitting. And I think we're ready for winter riding. You know, it doesn't snow here, but it still gets very cold. You know, not like East Coast cold, but yeah, I like it. For now, at least for winter, I'm gonna take it off springtime or summertime. And yeah, give you guys a few more seconds to look at it. Another turn. And there you go. So that's all for now. We're still waiting for the exhaust and a couple other parts, but thanks for watching. Later.